first before doing this, but it's all good. Send code. What's going on, stream? Oh my gosh. Let me see here. Log in with username. Actually, let me see something.
My dad sent me a text at 2 in the morning.
Okay. Log in. Use QR code. There we go.
When your baby is here, you got.
Alright, let's log in. Let me see. Welcome in, everybody from the stream. Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. Whoops, I just noticed that this is not up. Sorry, guys. There we go. TSA, like I said, wait for the 5-minute closes. Today is not the day to try to just take early entries and just be in it just to be in it. Today is a day to wait for confirmation. Today is a day to wait for confirmation.
Your mind gotta be on.
Why is this doing this? Let's close this out. All right, so there goes SPX. Like I said, 6882 is the level you want to look for. Look at IWM under that 247.77 level as well, guys. Moving really nicely here. It's moving really, really nice. Let's see. It's not logging me in, bro. Okay, so NVIDIA just triggered the downside move, guys. NVIDIA just triggered this downside move. Just triggered the downside move. So you guys can look for that setup as well. 1 second. Oh, I'm tripping. Use email. Code. Okay. My bad, y'all. I can't see the actual chat, so I'm getting this fixed. Beautiful setup here on NVIDIA. IWM looking like we're retesting this 247.77 level, guys. Bro, why is this not letting me log in? This is wild. Screw it. Help a brother out. What you mean help a brother out? SPX target 6882. IWM is retesting this level. So look, if we fail 247.77 again, it is a high likelihood, right? You already got to close under this, right? It is a high likelihood that we take out this 247.22 and then maybe even 246.40, guys. So keep this in mind. Keep it in mind. Look at QQQ go, y'all. Oh my goodness. Look at it go.
Could you make the...
TradeAway? No. This is Trading View. I trade options though, so I trade options. Let me see something. Let me just pull it up over here. Screw it. Hi bro, we need you in Sierra Leone. What is that? Oh, he talking about y'all funny, bro. Let me see something. Let me just pull it up over here. Screw it. Y'all be funny, man. Okay, so TSA, did anybody take the IWM earlier entry? What you think about AMD? It's not a part of my pre-market plan. MU paying nice, got in under pre-market low. Let's go. QQQ at daily VWAP, a reversal may be in play. It's possible. Just watch for a close under that level though. Just gotta watch for a close. QQQ 1 hour, you have this 3-bar here. Like I said, this right here this is previous week highs right here at 217.77. So, or I mean previous week lows. So you gotta watch this level on QQQ. Let me actually pull up MU right here. Let's see what MU is doing. Okay, yeah, MU is moving pretty nicely as well here. MU is moving pretty nice. So we'll see. We'll see. IWM looks really, really good though. Like I said, that level you can still use this as an entry, but if you took an earlier entry, you should be up right now. So if you took this entry at 247.77 like we talked about, your first target is going to be down here, as opposed to just like if it closes, yeah, that'll be great. You should already be up. But QQQ is also triggering right now, guys. Like I said earlier, ideally all you wanted to do is just wait for the weekly levels for confirmation. So this is a very good setup, y'all. This is beautiful, 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 beautiful. Got a lot of profit taking here. So we rejected 620 again and ended up falling back through 618. Did you guys take the entry on QQQ and IWM? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chats. I'm in IWM. Let's go, Amy. Let's get it. Let's go. If you're here on the stream, drop a what's up in the chat down below. If this is your first time here, drop a what's up. Soul 5 on QQQ, left 5 runner. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Taking QQQ. Let's get it. Let's get it. Look at Nvidia just selling off, leading the market lower. SPX first target has already been hit, 68.82. If we close under 68.82, we can see 68.69 next, y'all. 68.69 is the next level. First time watching you live. Let's go. Coin is looking good. Yeah, coin is moving really good. Them contracts are up pretty nicely. My first target here is 227.79. Let me see. These contracts are currently up about 5%, but because the contracts are so expensive, it's definitely moving really nicely and they're in the money. But look at QQQ. Yeah, IWM, my very first trade in the contract value versus the stock price, confusing. Yeah, you got to complete the curriculum, brother, man. It's funny, I just bought TQQQ all-time lows. Let's go. Let's get it, y'all. Hold on, let me see something. Live center login. This is so weird. Good morning. Are you in both of these? No. I'm in Coinbase right now. I'm in Coin. I'm taking a swing on Coin. Coin looks so good. Oh my gosh, man. Coin, that 2-hour that confirmation there, that was really good. What do you think of TQQQ versus QQQ? I've never traded TQQQ, honestly. Can't lie, I wake up early just to learn about this. I'm really new and have no experience. Let's go, man. I'm glad to be able to help, bro. Glad to be able to help, man. Hopefully I'm making it easy for you. Hopefully I'm just making it easy for you to learn. I don't know, what do y'all think? Y'all feel like it's been pretty easy to learn if you're coming in from the stream? Go back. Oh my gosh, and my camera. I'm just having all types of tech difficulties today. Got my camera overheating. TikTok's not letting me log in so I can see the chat. Never fails, never fails. Yeah, this shit's cooked. I don't know what's going on with their platform. Is what it is. Good. Okay. Sheesh. Coin is moving beautifully. Oh my gosh. Those contracts I sent out yesterday are up 10% so far. And again, this is a swing. We got a lot of time. We got a lot of time on these contracts. And the contracts are already in the money. So it's like, it's crazy. You be trading SPX? Yeah. Yes, sir, we do. We trade SPX a lot during the end of day, like the end of the day. We traded a lot during the end of the day. All right, so QQQ is kind of holding this weekly level, so be careful here on QQQ. You need a close under 617.77 for it to look a little bit better. You need to close under 617.77. Let me go back to MU. Are you planning on holding your coin swing till expiration? Nah, probably not till expiration. I mean, if it can fill the gap before expiration, that'd be great. But nah, I have targets on coin. I'm getting too nice at this. It's scary. That's funny. That's what I like to hear, man. All about the consistency. Keep showing up. Keep executing. Ain't nothing to it. Nani? Yeah. Oh. Ain't nothing to it. What up? God is great. What's good, bro? Is early January a good time to what? A good time to what? Oh my gosh, bro. This camera is killing me. I'm so tired. What's the free game, brother man? Just gotta sit back and watch. Looking forward to these January earnings. Facts. January is gonna be crazy. January is going to be crazy. Look at IWM bouncing off this previous quarter high. You just need to see what it wants to do here. QQQ doing the same thing off this weekly level, bouncing off the weekly. TSM is chopping up, so I wouldn't even look at trading TSM, y'all. I wouldn't even consider taking that. There's literally always an ambulance over here. Any trades you entered? I'm in Coinbase swings, so I'm not really looking to take anything else today. I have a swing that's out until the end of January. Right now, I'm just got in and out of IWM. Let's go, Miguel. Easy money, easy money. You took the move back up or the move down? Puts before the bounce. Nice. Easy. Took IWM. My target was previous quarter high. for a little 36%. Easy. Nice base hit. Remember, don't overtrade today, y'all. The market closes at 1 p.m. So no need to overtrade. Do you teach people how to trade too? Yes. If you're interested in learning, my group TSA is currently closed right now. But if you want to come learn for free, you can click this orange button right here. And it'll take you to a free class that you can learn in. Is this considered trading with the 1 hour and 5 minute? Are you maybe looking for entries? Yeah, this is day trading. Day trading is just basically when you're getting in and out of a trade. When you're getting in and out. You said, where's the button? There should be an orange button with an arrow right here. Y'all see it on TikTok? Let me know. I am in Coinbase puts for 2026, January. Great setup on the monthly, on the weekly, on the 3-month. All of them are great setups. Does the class provide paper trading steps? Not the class tonight, no. I don't see it. Y'all don't see this orange button with an arrow right here? There's only one person saying that they don't see it. I don't know. I feel like I see it on my end, so, and I see people signing up for it, so I don't know. I see it. Okay, yeah, maybe it's just them. You might have to leave the live and come back in if you don't see it. It's more yellow than orange. Well, it's a button with a white arrow. Hold on. The U.S. stock market, including the operates on regular hours on New Year's Eve, closing at 4 p.m. Eastern. Okay, so I must have been misinformed. The bond markets will close early at 2 p.m. Okay, so guys, TSA, the market doesn't close until 4 p.m. today. The bond market closes early. I think I just misread it. Hold on, let me read here. The NASDAQ and Euro will both hold regular trading sessions on the final day of 2025. Okay, yeah. Guys, so the market doesn't close until 4. Let me send that out real quick. Thank you, Swan, for that. The bond market closes early, not the options, not the stock market. So let me send this out. Not 1 p.m. Bond market closes early. Apologies. Boom. Appreciate that, brother, man. So do you teach in your community how to swing trade or just day trade? We do both. I have a trader in our group who only sends out swings, and then I do primarily all the day trades. And yeah. Hi Tez, what you doing? Doing what I do best. Vibing. Trading and vibing. Yeah, IWM looks a little right now. TSM ended up having a random pop back above this 304.50 level. So if you did take it, those should be back from the dead. IWM 3 bar on the 2 hour facts. We got to see how this candle closes. On the 1 hour, doesn't look terrible, but on the 2 hour, that 2 hour looks so indecisive. If it doesn't break that range, people gonna get chopped up and blended. What's the difference between swing and options? There's no well, swing trading, okay? So you mean swing trading and day trading. Swing trading is when you hold a trade longer than a day. Day trading is when you're getting in and out the same day. Good morning, Nini. Good morning. Hope all is well. I hope all is well. Do you plan on opening your group up again? Tomorrow we actually are increasing our price to TSA to 150 a month. It's normally 99 a month, but tomorrow marks our upgrade prices. Um, so honestly, I don't know. I didn't know. I don't know if I end up opening it again before then. Honestly, I've opened it up twice in this week. So if people didn't get in, people didn't get in. But I don't know. It depends. It depends. I don't know. How much do I need to start? Like $300. You can start with 300. I would recommend starting with like 1,000 and up, but you can start with 300 realistically. Y'all might as well get the yearly. It's worth it. Hey man, TSM is out of there, guys. Did anyone end up taking this? It's way better of a setup than Nvidia. You ended up taking TSM, D? Good job. Yeah, you can start with 300 to $300. I would recommend starting with more though. Up 22%. Let's go. So I like to hear. So look at this. IWM is just kind of rejecting this 247.77 level. So just be a little careful here. Good morning, Chrissy. Good morning. I just jumped on. Welcome in. Any tips for beginners? I would say the biggest thing is just study a lot. Study, study, study. You won't just like get good at the market overnight. Also understand that it's going to take time. And yeah, that's one of the biggest things that I'll say. Study, study, study. That is the most important thing you can do. Are the price lines you have on the screen from Fibonacci retracements? No, I don't use Fibonacci. These are just key levels on the daily time frame. TSA, what's up? Snatched by Tay, what's good? What stocks are we watching today? TSM already triggered and it's already out of there. It's coming up on its first target. Second target on TSM is 307.30, and then the last target is 310. IWM also looking for a move under 247.22. So unless you took this reversal, so right now we're rejecting this level. So we basically broke below, came down, hit your first target, retesting this level, and now coming back lower. So you need to close back under 247.22 before taking this entry. So just keep this in mind. QQQ, you need to close under this weekly level here at 617.77. You can also be patient and wait for 617.22, but this is the real entry level because it's from a weekly time frame. Do you live trade on TikTok? Yeah, I've live traded pretty much the last 6 trading days almost. I hate to ask this, but what's the ideal target for IWM? 246.40. That's your first target. Y'all, he's the best. Thank you. I appreciate that. What's good, Mr. Advanced Gaming? Yo, if you guys are in here, what indicators do you use? I'll give y'all all my indicators at 10K likes. So just tap the screen if you're here on TikTok, and then I'll just give you my indicators for free. Learning so much, and I just started. I'm proud of you. Yeah, the learning curve can be crazy sometimes, but I think as long as you have the willpower to just, you know what I'm saying, go out there and get the information, I think anyone can do this. Literally, I'm no better than anyone. I'm not smarter than anyone. I probably graduated with a lower GPA than most of y'all, honestly. But you gotta apply yourself. Which pairs would you recommend for a beginner to practice demo trading? So I trade options. So if you're gonna trade options, I would say like IWM is a great beginner stock. Carto, you'll have to Google what you can use in Canada, brother man. I know we have another member in Canada, but I can't remember what account he uses, so you have to Google it. I'm not familiar with Canada's rules and stuff like that, so you just gotta Google it. What's up, bro? What's going on? Thank you so much for your teachings. I'm learning a lot from you. I wish you a 2026 full of health, wealth, and love. Likewise, I appreciate that. Yeah, I got some videos ready to upload as well. I got a couple videos ready to upload. Today I'm gonna upload a video on Twitter on why I buy my contracts in thirds. There's another video I gotta upload on how to avoid consolidation or getting chopped up in your trades. I have a list of videos I gotta get done. How do you figure out the IWM targets? Always, always, always use key levels, guys. Key levels. Please make sure you guys are completing the course. Complete the course. How much do you need to get started? Like I would say like $350 bare minimum. Did we trade already today? I'm in a swing trade right now, but the setups that I gave out have already triggered. They've already triggered. Where is my why does it look so complicated? Is it new to you? Everything looks complicated if it's new to you. Looking at a bike when you first seen it looked complicated, if we're being honest. Any videos on how to incorporate the VIX with options? I don't have any of those up right now. Nah. I do not. I do not. It's not complicated though, it's just 4 charts. I mean, even then, it's like these are the same tickers. Right now, what y'all are seeing on the screen, if you're here on TikTok, is QQQ and IWM. These are both on the 5-minute. And then you have you have IWM and QQQ on the 1 hour. It's the same tickers as these two at the top. They're just different time frames because you need to be able to see what's going on the hour. Hope you good, bro. I'm blessed. Hope all is well with you as well. What are you trading right now? I'm already in Coinbase right now. I'm in Coinbase. I am in Coinbase right now. But that's a swing trade. I'm not looking for any additional trades today. Look at QQQ just chopping at this level. I think we need to break this range though. Like even then with QQQ, like I said, just wait for 617.22. Ideally, just wait for this level, because you don't want to get stuck in this range, and then it could chop up, and then the theta on the contracts eat at the contracts. You would rather just wait for a break and close under this level. But one thing I'll say is like trading on the last day, the volume is definitely lower. You can tell. You had a nice little push at open, but the volume is definitely lower. Volume is definitely lower. All right, so look, IWM is coming back down to retest this level again. You need to see a close under this level first. You need to see a close under this level first. Do you have UK clients in your Discord? I know it's tougher to trade here. I do actually have a couple UK traders. And shout out to all the guys. Actually, real quick, are any of my UK traders in the Discord right now? Are y'all live right here? I know there's a couple of them. They be reaching out to me on the side. I don't know if they're live in here with me right now, because right now I'm streaming, but right now I'm also trading live with my Discord too. Can you show the trade you're in and the target for the swing? That's too much game, gang. I don't know if I could do that. They supposedly making a video to expose that you make 65% of your income from Discord or mentorships. And then what? And then what? Man, y'all better sit cash. LOL, no volume. See y'all Monday. Yeah, no, there's no volume. There's no volume here. TSA, y'all heard that? Like, and then he's saying 65%. I think he's the one who's gonna do it. He's the one. Keep searching, brother. The trolls, bro. I know. But then when I open up my account, and isn't it crazy? Then when I open up the account, now it's all fake. Now I'm using prop firm money. Like, I'm just passing the message along from the guy that exposes LARPers. I appreciate all the engagement. Tell them to hurry up. That'll be perfect for 2026. That'll give me just the amount of volume needed to do what I've always been wanting to do. Continue to impact in people. Why everyone get mad when a trader sells his skills? I don't know, man. If you don't have haters, you're not popping. Yeah, I'm just happy they watching me. Honestly, even for this person to come into the chat and spend so much time with me, that's such a beautiful thing because God gave him time and he wants to spend it on me. So, hey, one thing I've learned, man, I used to react really negatively to stuff like that, and then I just got to the point where I realized, bro, like when you hang around older people, like people 50 and above, they are really, they like not 50 and above, like 70 and above, like my grandparents, on some real shit, they don't give a fuck. Like, excuse my language, they just don't care, bro. And it's like, I pray to get there sooner, because at that point, it doesn't matter what shoes you wear. It don't matter what clothes you wearing. Like, they don't be caring. There's no filter. Like, when I introduced my girlfriend to my grandmother, she had no filter right out of the gate. I'm like, grandma, you gotta chill with that. Like, chill, just don't care. So it's like when I hear stuff like that, man, it's like, you know, it is what it is, yo. I appreciate the publicity though. The older you get, the less you care. I lose a little bit each year. I pray that mine speeds up a lot more. They're unfazed. They know the time is ticking, so you make the best of while you have it. Exactly. I don't have the capacity to worry about what someone else is about to do and say about me. You know? And then when I open up my portfolio and then I show the money in the account and show the P&L, then it's like, oh, but you use indicators. Like, oh, but you didn't do X, Y, Z. It's like, all right, and then what? That's what I said. And then what? Like, it's like, it's like someone comes out, they say something, and then you prove them wrong, and then you give them a reason to go out and try to prove something else wrong about what you said. It is what it is. I pray that they upload it quicker though. Hurry up, please. Perfect response. I appreciate that. I'm working on myself. I appreciate you spending time in here, bro. I won't continue to read your messages, man. I just appreciate you sharing time with me, brother, man. Keep doing you, family. You're helping us all. Thanks for the help. No problem. No problem at all. I appreciate y'all, for real. What platform is this? This is TradingView. All right, y'all. So look, IWM just triggered. You still need to wait until the candle closes, though. So don't force this entry, but wait until the candle closes. Wait until this candle closes, y'all. So you got 2 minutes on the candle. I got 8 semi trucks. I'm 29 and I'm chilling. Whatever you say, bro. I pray God continues to provide for you, brother, man. You know, coming in here with hate, bro, at 10 a.m. It is what it is, bro. If you're doing so good in life, you would have more time on your hands than spending in here with me. But what do I know? What do I know? I'm just a guy that streams on TikTok. It's really something you have to train yourself on, honestly, to like be so disciplined to just not care. No, for real, Miguel. Like, what? Thank you for sharing your gifts. I appreciate y'all sharing your time with me, man. He's still going. I need mods, bro. People wake up at 10 a.m. and start trolling. You think IWM will hit 245? 245 is low key a stretch for today. I mean, I'm not saying it's not possible. I'm not saying it's not possible, but it's definitely a stretch. Where you're looking for IWM puts, you're looking for this close of this candlestick. You gotta wait though. You got about 54 seconds before trying to take this entry. So that way you just don't get wicked out. And then too, like I said, on the 0 days, it's better to just like, you know what I'm saying? It's better to just wait for the confirmation. It is too early for that. It's only 17:13 in here. 7:13, yeah, it's crazy. Make me a mod. I gotta figure out a way to be able to moderate people while I'm in Streamlabs. Let me see something. Boom. All right, let's see this candle close. What was your IWM trigger? I'm looking for the 15-minute. The trigger is literally happening right now. Like 3, 2, 1. So QQQ did not trigger yet, y'all. So notice how it just wicked the entry, right? IWM just triggered. So if you want to wait a second to break this low of this candle first, you can. But this is good to go now. I'm too far out of the money on QQQ. Yeah, you gotta be a little careful today. Okay, so there's the trigger right there on IWM, y'all. Let me check up on Coinbase as well. I'm gonna break down the Coinbase trade for y'all too on why I took it, and then I'll break the whole thing down. That way y'all can know why I took it, and then I'll give y'all the expiration, and then I'll show y'all the trade itself. Cause like right now, I don't actually know where it's at. I think it's break even right now, maybe. Let me see. It's up about 6%. So this is the swing right here itself. This is the swing right here. So you guys can see this. Hold on, let's see. This is January 30th puts for January 30th. These contracts are $1,500 each contract. So just keep that in mind. If you have a smaller account, it is not small account friendly. Target for IWM is 246.40 down here, 246.40. 246.40. Just set the alert, y'all. Set the alert. You don't have to just set and forget. You don't have to sit there and hawkeye it the whole time. But look at it on the 1 hour time frame too. Now the only thing here on this 1 hour is that you have this pre-market low right here at 246.82. You just gotta wait for a close below here, and you have more confirmation that you can take out 246.40. So we're coming up on it right now. Are these 4 different accounts? No. Everything I'm just using TradingView to look at the charts. I take all of my trades from my phone on Webull. Oh my gosh, bro. I think I'm having an allergic reaction to something, bro. Shit's cooking me, bro. Oh my god. So you gotta be very careful at this level, y'all. This level right here. It's 246.82. It's because it is pre-market lows. But if QQQ can also close under this weekly level, it should give a little bit better confirmation. Let me check on SPX. So SPX is back at 68.80. So we'll be fine. You put your put options you called out is running. Yeah, it's doing pretty good. I'm gonna go over it with y'all. I want to see how this reacts first. I'm gonna break it down on the stream and tell y'all why I took the setup too. But let's see. What those contracts up, y'all? For those of you guys who took the IWM entry, what are your contracts up right now? Yeah, puts. This already triggered, so I mean, you'd be a little bit late if you try to take it right now, honestly. I mean, you could still take it under 246.82, but you gotta be a little bit more careful. IWM up 30%, 14%. Okay, good. Good. 10%. Okay, smooth. Yeah, y'all are fine. Up 12%. Good. 23%. Okay, cool. 80%. Oh shit. Okay. I'm gonna show y'all because y'all who are watching me on the stream, y'all can't see the Discord. All right, there goes QQQ trigger here. You need to wait until this closes here first. Wait until it closes under 617.22. IWM is breaking under this pre-market low here. Like I said, 246.40. You do have a gap fill at 245.57. So is it possible to take out that level? It is definitely possible, but just be careful because the volume could slow up. So yeah. So look at all of y'all making money for free from the stream. IWM 57%. Great job. Soft Hearts Interactive. Yoda 10%. Nate 14%. Good. 14% here. 52%. 80%. 23%. Up 12%. 30%. Good. Good. We're doing really nice, y'all. Good job. 91% Amy. Let's go, Amy. Amy, you took the earlier entry, didn't you? Shout out to Amy. Yep. Okay. Yeah. I kind of figured. Yeah. Like I told y'all, for my vetted TSA members, when I give y'all an earlier entry, those are gonna be the better ones for y'all. I give out the safer ones for the new members in TSA. So just always keep that in mind when I say the early entry. That's probably the one you should be taking. Damn, my camera, bro. Yes, 91% is more likely. Love to see it. Bro, I don't know if my camera's just overheating or what. Entered at 9:32 a.m. Let's go, Amy. Great job. Nice 100% play. All right, so look, QQQ still has not triggered. Like I said, like you just gotta just be patient. Cause look, imagine you try to take this entry, right, and you didn't let the 5-minute candle close, and then it pops, and then let's say it reverses, and then you get stopped out. You know what I mean? Like this is why you just gotta wait for the 5-minute, man. Wait for the 5 minute to close. Touched the 91% post and say amazing job. I don't know if I read that right. I don't know. Good. Overall, the market looks weak. So every pop that we've had, you showed the Discord person gains. Yeah. I'm talking about Amy's. Yes. Fire. Okay, I think I have enough time to go over Coinbase with y'all. So let me just do it now. Okay. So let's talk about why I took Coinbase. TSA, y'all can pretty much mute me out, or if you just want to turn me down, or if you want to listen, you can. I'm just gonna break this down to the people on the stream. Okay. So people on the stream, I went over this trade. I took this trade yesterday. Okay. Looking to get my charts like yours. Very simple. Yeah, definitely, Michael. If you have questions, just let me know. So I want to break this down, right? So Coinbase, I'm going to start off on a higher time frame. So right now we're looking at the 3-month time frame. Now disregard all of the lines. I want you to pay attention to this candlestick. Okay. What you see on these candlesticks are rejections, right? Like we've rejected highs once, twice, right? And what we ended up getting here on a quarter, right? So this is a 3-month time frame. This means every quarter. This is a very strong bearish candlestick. And the reason I ended up taking this trade yesterday is because this quarter closes in 5 hours. So what I'm looking for is a continuation move on the quarter, right? I'm looking for a continuation going into next year. So I took a contract that is 1 month out. I'm looking to say, hey, can we continue this downside momentum in the beginning, in the first couple weeks of the year, right? Now, LOL, you got a lot of lines, looks like bread and butter. Exactly. So we're gonna drop down to the monthly time frame. So when you look at the monthly time frame, we had rejected this VWAP level as well a couple weeks ago, right? And this was the major tall tale that, you know, the bearish sentiment is really there. Like bears are in control, sellers are in control. But B, when you broke below this previous month lows here at 231.15, that was confirmation that the sellers are still in control. So for me personally, right, I dropped down to a weekly time frame. So like my entry came from me seeing the monthly, the 3-month, the monthly, and the weekly. Okay, so right now we switched to a weekly time frame, and you'll notice the weekly time frame looks the same way, where you're able to see that the market or Coinbase is very weak on the weekly. which is what you want to see if you're going to take a swing trade. So I ended up taking my entry here at 232.83. This was our previous week low. So once we broke last week's lows, I ended up taking this trade. And then my first target is down here at 227.79. Second target is 224. And then the real target, the main target that I'm trying to shoot for is 214. This is where a gap has to get filled. So we are now entering into this gap fill. And what a gap fill is basically this open space from, let me actually turn this magnet off. There's this open space from, where is it? From here all the way down to here, right? So let me do this and I'm gonna show y'all, right? TikTok, do y'all see this open space right here? Drop a yes in the chat if you guys see this. 214 would be insane. Honestly, is it? But the way I'm looking at it, is it really far-fetched? I mean, Bitcoin's been really weak, and Coinbase has been kind of like not moving exactly the same way as Bitcoin, honestly. But I don't think it's that far-fetched. Now, the thing is maybe in the time frame that I'm expecting, maybe. But my contracts are in the money. So I'll tell y'all why I bought the contracts I bought too. So it definitely can get there. I definitely believe we can get there, especially if the quarter closes like that. If we can just get a continuation going into next year, smooth selling from there. Yes. Okay, hold on. Fucking ambulance, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. It just don't stop. It is so loud, bro. Okay. So this open space here, right, is a gap. And a lot of times what happens with gaps is that gaps get filled. What do I mean by get filled? Because this is an open space on the chart, at some point in time, price will come back and come down and reach this part, this open space, and it's called filling the gap. It's basically taking the blank space and making it full again, right? Putting candlesticks in between it. And the reason this gap happened is because Coinbase ended up having a rocket ship take off, right? Literally just had this huge green candlestick, just took off, and there was no bearish candlesticks. There were no red candlesticks while this was taking off. So it created a gap, okay? So now with this open space, I'm just looking for us to come back and fill this open space. I'm looking for us to come back down and retest this level here, okay? Now, the next thing, the confirmation of this, okay? So let's talk about confirmation. So these are just multiple things that are in alignment for the trade, okay? So on the daily time frame, we also broke and closed below the previous week low. This was also additional confirmation. When you're breaking weekly levels, when you're taking a trade, this is ideal to see, okay? The next thing is, before I took the trade, I waited for the 2-hour candle to close under my entry, which is 232.83. So right before the market closed yesterday, this is when I took the trade, because we were literally like right around 232. And this was below my entry, but I needed to wait for confirmation. I needed to wait until the candle closed, which it ended up closing like this. And now what we're seeing is a continuation today. Everybody tracking me so far? For those of you guys in TikTok or on the stream, whether you're here on YouTube or on Twitter, just drop a yes down below real quick if everything is making sense so far. Okay, good. Good. Right? So where was my next level of confirmation on this setup for me to take it? It was actually the flow. So what is the flow? Let me show y'all. Damn, where is it? I'm gonna bring it up on the screen real quick. All right, y'all. So this is called the flow. Okay. Let me open this up a little bit. Boom. Okay. So this is where you could come and see how much money is being put on what contracts and what trades, right? So let me do it just like this, and you guys should be able to see it. Okay, perfect. This is perfect. So I'm gonna go to yesterday, and I'm gonna show you what I seen yesterday, which led me to actually taking the trade itself yesterday. So I'm gonna go to Coinbase, and when you go to Coinbase, what you'll see is the money that was being placed on this trade, right? So I'm gonna go to bought 30 days. So there's some filters you have to turn on. These are specific filters that I use. And what you'll see is all of this money of people buying puts. So when I'm trading, I use something called smart money concepts. which is basically understanding smart money. Smart money are the people who really move the market. They're the ones who are trading with millions and millions of dollars. So, I'll talk about this in my group, but you're trading with $1,000, $10,000, even $100,000. You're not making a dent in the market. You're not really making any real contribution to a candlestick moving, right? It's the people who are trading with millions of dollars who are really moving the market. And this is called smart money, right? They're called smart money. Comment that down below in the chat if you're here on TikTok and YouTube. Comment smart money down below, okay? Smart money are the people who have insider access to information. They may have people in certain, areas or certain companies. They may hear insider stuff. They might pay people from other companies who are reporting stuff about companies or CEOs or they have insider information sometimes, right? Not all the time, but sometimes. But most importantly, they have the money to be able to move the market. So what I'm looking at is I've seen the setups on the chart, and then I'm saying, hey, does smart money agree with me on this, basically, right? Now, are they always right? No, they lose a lot of money too, the same way that retail loses a lot of money, okay? But the thing I'm looking at is how much of them are confident in taking the actual setup itself, right? So this is what you end up seeing, right? This is what you end up seeing. Hold on, y'all. My camera's recharging real quick, so it's gonna be off for like a minute or two. But this is what you end up seeing, right? So y'all see all of this right here? This is how much money they put on the contracts. Like, this is how much money they put into the trade. So Coinbase, January 16th expiration, right? $82 million on these puts. $63 million on these puts. $43 million, $33 million, $58 million. And these are all going in the same direction of the setup that I see. So all I'm doing is I'm using this as additional confirmation before I take the trade. Like, I already knew that the charts, the technical side was in alignment, right? The trading view, the monthly, the 3 month, the month, the quarter, all of that stuff was in alignment. I already knew I wanted to take the trade based off of that. This is just giving me extra confidence. Make sense? So once the candle ended up closing on the 2 hour, I just took the trade. How do we access this? This is called Trady Ticks. TradyTics. You do have to have a subscription for this, but for me in my group, I just send these out whenever I see like massive flow. This is what it's called, flow. When I see massive flow coming in, I'll just send it to my group, and it's like extra confirmation to either sit in the trade or take the trade itself. But you just want to make sure you're in alignment. I keep missing. Can you go your flow filters? Yeah. Filter 30-day or it depends. So if you're doing weeklies, you want to look at 7 or 15-day expiration. But for swings, you want to go like 30, 60. So it depends on the expiration you're trying to get. Like for me, since I'm taking contracts that are next month, I went 30-day contract, 30-day expirations. I copied your link and shared it with 12 people. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that, man. Good morning, Sahara. Good morning. So I do bought, and then I do 30 days trade. And then if I'm trading weeklies, like say like it's an earnings position or something like that, I'll do 7-day because I'm only trading weeklies. Is flow from hedge funds? Yes, portion of it, like some of these people who are trading this are hedge funds. Yeah, so like hedge funds, banks, investors, things like that. So a portion of these people are I don't know exactly, but I'm pretty sure a portion of them are. Obviously, with the amount of money that they're trading with, it's pretty obvious that they are. And then boom, that led to me taking this trade right here. So now when you look at this on a weekly time frame, this looks really clean on the weekly. It looks very clean on the monthly, right? Like, look at this move back down, right? This is an ideal setup. And then all I have to do is just give it time. You just give it time. It's a swing trade. I don't need to watch this every day. Like, the only reason I'm even looking at it right now is because I'm breaking it down to y'all. But like, even on the 4 hour time frame, look at this, creating lower highs and lower lows. Look, every time it popped back up, it got sold right back off, over and over and over again. So I wanted to see the consistency of the trend, and you just need time to be able to let it go. This is a weekly trade. I primarily do long-term investing and then day trading, but 2026, I am bettering my swing trading bag. because more people want to swing trade when they come into TSA. And although I'm going to bring somebody in who's an expert at it, I still need to become, I have to be I have to be A plus at it. Like, there's no room for mediocre trading, right? Like, my goal is, especially, I don't think people really understand this, but like when you have a Discord, when you have multiple people that you're teaching, you have to perform at a high level. You know what I'm saying? Like, you really have to do this shit at a high level. It's not easy to not only teach but trade. Like, live trading in itself is difficult because you could be wrong and that could sway your emotions. You know what I mean? And like, it has taken me a long time to even be able to do this. So yeah. But yeah, was this at all helpful? I broke down the flow, I broke down the setup, I broke down the higher time frames. Was this at all helpful? And then I'll show y'all the trade itself so y'all know that I'm actually in it right now. So this is the contracts right here. These are the actual contracts that I have. So my contracts are in the money. Why is my computer doing that? Very helpful, good. Are those blue lines Fibonacci lines? Nah. Not Fibonacci. And if we could just break the low today, we could hit our first target pretty soon here. So we'll see. But yeah, that is that. So hopefully that was helpful for those of you guys in here. If you're a little bit newer, obviously it's gonna sound a lot of that's gonna sound pretty crazy, or you're not really gonna understand too much. Great job, Skipper. Thank you, man. How do I pull up that percentage screen on Webull? If you click on your trade, there's like a little circle with an arrow going through it. You can just click on that. You are beyond helpful. Have a generous heart. This is how people learn. Amazing. Thank you, Sam. I appreciate that. It means a lot. I genuinely try my best to just break this stuff down in an easy way. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just feel like in a lot of communities, like, we don't talk about stuff like this. So like, for me to even be able to comprehend it at this level, I just like being able to, like, I feel like a gift of mine is being able to simplify stuff for other people so they can understand it. How many likes do you need to share your indicators? Because I've been here tapping. 10,000. Yeah, if you guys tap the screen, get us to 10,000 likes, I'll share it with you guys. TSA, IWM and QQQ just don't look good today. At least not for right now. So I would be very careful. Again, cash is a position as well. Don't get chopped up. If you already took profits, walk away with green, close out the year, and do y'all thing. Keep studying. All right. I'm gonna hop off of here for now. I will see you guys tonight. All right, TSA. I'll see y'all tonight. Love you guys. Peace. All right. So I was just doing that with my group Discord, right? We do this every day, pretty much Monday through Friday. I do pre-market calls, but today, since I already took my trade yesterday, I wasn't looking to get into anything today. I kind of figured the volume would be a little bit lower. But yeah, we teach everything from scratch. Thanks, made $106 from IWM. Love to hear it. Like this person on YouTube, Soft Hearts Interactive. They took the setup I gave out here on live stream and made $106. And then when someone asks me, why do I charge $150 a month for my group? It's because you can make all of your money back in one trade. You're literally getting a better deal than I am. Literally. The only reason I charge stuff is because the last time I did stuff for free, nobody actually did anything with it. So yeah. So yes, our group is $150 a month. Right now, there's no link in my bio or anything for you to join. But let me see. Should I open the group up for $99 a month right now, y'all? If I open the group up for $99 a month, should I do it? Let me know. If we don't get a bunch of yeses in the chat, I won't do it though. 75, nope. Can't do 75, buddy man. Can't do 75. I could do 99 though, because like I said, our price is 150 a month. So you're basically getting that for, is that 30% off? Basically 30% off. What camera are you using? Sony A6400. We only got one yes, so maybe I'll just keep it closed. I don't know. I'm not seeing enough yeses in the chat. Should I open it up for 99 bucks a month? If I don't get enough yeses, then I won't open it. I'll just keep it closed, and then next time I do open it, it'll be 150 a month, and then people can pay 150 a month. Like, I don't mind. There we go. All right, now I'm seeing them. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so what does your group come with? So it comes with live calls Monday through Friday with me. Yesterday's price is not today's. Exactly. Yesterday's price is not today's price. Again, people keep learning that from coming to these streams though. That's true. And then they come back and they be like, "Oh, bro, can you open a group for me? I'm ready now." No, you got to be ready when I open the doors. You got to be ready then. If you're not ready then it is what it is. But our group also just completely transforms who you are, right? Like we have an extensive curriculum that pretty much walks you through everything trading related, right? I know my camera just died, guys. I know it keeps going in and out. When I say teach from scratch, I mean if you don't even know what the stock market is, right? Like we go from that, we start from there, and we work you all the way up. It covers everything day trading related, but also everything, everything related to the stock market as a whole. So understanding shares, understanding investing, understanding what brokerages you should be using, understanding Robinhood, understanding Webull. Like we break down pretty much everything you could possibly think of. So, with all of that being said, all of that stuff is walked through. You don't have to know anything about anything. You could come in as a complete beginner, not knowing nothing. You don't need a crazy setup, right? All you need is a laptop and a cell phone to be able to trade on. You can literally trade from an iPad if you want to. It's completely up to you. On top of that as well, right? It doesn't matter your age. I have people who are in their 50s and 60s who are trading with us. So as long as you're the type of individual where you're going into 2026 and you're saying, yo, like I really want to learn this craft, I really want to take advantage, and you're looking for the right people to learn from in a community of people who are doing it at a high level, I think that's the most important thing you get. Right now, when you're trading by yourself. What you get when you're inside of TSA is you get to trade with other people who are just as devoted and committed to the same outcome as you are. So that's everything that you're getting in TSA. Like I said, live trading calls, pre-market calls, everything. So what I'll do is this, right? Like I said, our enrollment fee is $150 a month. Right now, there's no link in my bio for you to join, but what I'll do is I'll put the 99 a month link in the bio, okay? I'll put the link for 99 a month in my bio, but I'll only open it for 5 minutes. So you either take advantage of it or you don't. It's really up to you. Like I said, I'm not here to sell y'all, but for those of you guys who are asking me like, hey, I want to learn this, do you teach this and whatnot? This will be the opportunity for you to be able to actually learn it in depth. So let me see real quick. I don't even think I have that 99 a month link anywhere. Let's see real quick. Okay. I ended up finding it. Okay. Did you get any trades today? Not today. I'm swing trading Coinbase. I just broke the whole thing down. All right, so let me, why can I not find the link for this? Oh, there it is. Okay. All right, and then let's put it in my bio. Bam, 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 ba-bam. Okay, so I just put the link in my bio just now. I just put the link in my bio right now. So like I said, TSA enrollment is normally $150 a month. You guys have 5 minutes to enroll for $99 a month. And again, you will learn pretty much all of this as well. And if you ever have questions, you have 24/7 customer support as well. So this is what this looks like when you're on the stream. Literally all you have to do is click on my top profile right here. Just tap this. Click. Why is it not working? Okay, there we go. When you click on here, you're gonna go ahead and click right here. right? Once you click there, you're on my profile page, right? This is my only account. Once you get to this point, you're gonna go ahead and click Linktree. Okay, I'm gonna click on Linktree. When you click on Linktree, the new link is in there now. So if you were just in my bio, there was nothing there. It is now in there now. It's this top one. This will disappear in 5 minutes. So you're gonna click here. And as you can see, it's $99 per month. You'll be grandfathered in at this price. Okay. There's also a 3-day money back guarantee. So guess what? If you don't like it, you could just let us know and we refund you. And as you guys heard, someone literally just signed up just now. Somebody literally just signed up right now. So once you're signed up and enrolled, just comment "I'm in" down below in the chat once you come back, and I'll shout you guys out. Real quick, I'm gonna start a timer for 5 minutes. So there's a 5-minute timer open right now. Once it's gone, it's gone. For those of you guys who are here, let me see something real quick. For those of you guys who are here on YouTube, there's the link right there for you guys in YouTube. This is TradingView, guys. This is the TradingView platform. 99 a month. Yes, it is 99 a month. Can we unsubscribe at any time? Yes, you can. You said there was a guarantee. Yes, 3-day money back guarantee. So if you don't like it within the first 72 hours, we'll just refund you. Hey there, what are we signing up for? TSA is my group where we teach all of this from scratch. And then you can actually see people's profits right here. So just so y'all know that this is something that actually works, right? You'll be able to come in. 1 second, let me have them drop their screenshots. Drop your screenshots below. Okay. 10K completed. All right, cool. Here's all my indicators here. There you go. You guys have 3 minutes and 40 seconds left. 3 minutes and 40 seconds left. 3 minutes and 43 seconds left. And then y'all can feel free to ask questions about it as well. Wait, what was the timer for? It just got here. The timer is to join TSA. It's discounted for New Year's Eve. Let's begin 2026 the right way. Facts. So do you teach how to understand the market and what stocks to invest in? Yes, we do everything top to bottom. You put an insane amount of work this year. I know we all appreciate class every week. If you spend New Year's Eve with your family, I'm sure we'll all be right until next Tuesday. Do we get the indicators? Yes. Where's the link? Let me walk you guys through it real quick. Hold on 1 second. Let me respond. My camera just died. It's in the link in my bio. It's the first link in my link tree. What's the discount code? There's no discount code. I already replaced the $150 a month link with the $99 a month link in there. So you don't have to worry about a discount code. You just go in and you click that one. Okay. So it looks like this. Hold on 1 second. Let me wait for my camera to turn on. Okay. You're right here on the stream, right? You just click on my profile right here, right? You click on the profile, my account will come up like this. You just click on my account like that. Once you do that, you click the link tree, right? Click link tree right there. Once you click link tree, this link is now in my bio, so this will disappear again in 5 minutes. This is not normally there. You click it. There you go. There's no promo code needed. It's already discounted automatically. My small account is up 15%. Let's go. All right, so here's some members wins right here. Let's go. Boom, 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 boom. So again, this is small, people with smaller accounts too. So even if you're not starting with, you don't need thousands of dollars to start trading, y'all. I don't know where people keep getting this information from. You don't need that much money to start trading. You do not need that much money to start trading. And then if we literally come, I can't even actually see the chat in here, can I? Nope. Damn, all the screenshots were in there. Go to trading profits. Bada boom, bada bang. And you can see this. This is on the daily basis. Actually, let's scroll up right here. Trading floor. This is the beginning of my 10K challenge. Currently, this account sits at 2.8K. My plan is to aggressively add weekly into this account while trading SPY. Key earnings and SPX end of days. 3 areas I have gained the most experience, confidence in over the past year. 2026, it's up TSA. He's up $853 on a small account. So again, you can start with smaller amounts of money. That's all I hear, 25,000. No, you don't need that. That is for pattern day trading, right? You don't need that much money. You just need to start with a cash account. But yeah, this person started with a smaller account and also was still able to, you know what I'm saying, take advantage and really grow an account. So yes. All right, well, that is the 5 minutes right there, y'all. I'm gonna remove the link as well. Are you gonna explain the indicators as well? Not right now, honestly. I'm kind of tired. I'm literally about to just go ahead and hop off and maybe take a nap. I'm drained and I need to eat. All right, y'all. Well, the enrollment for TSA is officially closed. We'll see y'all in 2026. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, it'll be $150 a month in 2026. Shout out to Naraya for enrolling into TSA. Honored to have you. You'll be reached out. One of our members from the team will reach out to you and onboard you. You'll have an onboarding curriculum to go ahead and start immediately. It'll automatically redirect you, but my team will also reach out to you. So every person who enrolled into TSA today, we have a full onboarding system. All of it is self-paced. So we look forward to having you in TSA. But other than that, I'm gonna hop off stream right now. I'm gonna go make breakfast. Got the email? Good. Perfect. But yeah, I'm gonna go make breakfast. That link is now going to be gone in my bio, so you won't be able to enroll for TSA. However, if you want to come to a free class, you can click this orange button right here. Right? You can click this orange button right here. And you can join a free class where you can learn a lot of this other stuff for free. It won't be as in-depth as the Discord, but it will be some good free information for you. So other than that, guys, that is pretty much it. I love you guys dearly. You can find